Let's take a look at what you get with Logitech C310 HD webcam. It's a 720 streaming and it's a 5 megapixel photographs. It's got a microphone and it's USB. Pull out of the packaging here and you can see that it has the flexible foot or hook, or however you want to say, to clamp on the back of a laptop, or if you're going to have it set, you can have it set and kind of point up off the table. So it's got an interesting form factor here. Next up, you've got the length of USB, and that plugs it in. You can plug it into camera, or you plug it into any laptop or anything else that can handle a USB camera. You've got 720 streaming and 5 megapixel photographs. Pretty nice little camera. We're going to be using this as an auxiliary camera on a robot arm to kind of point down at a workspace, similar to the camera we're using now. Hope this helps.